Welcome to Lasea class. I am your teacher, John Lasea. Today I will show you my simple project, Touchless Alcohol Dispenser. DIY or do-it-yourself electronics project is one of my hobbies that sparks my enthusiasm in learning electronics circuits and electronics components. Let me pinpoint the materials. First, we have a submersible water pump, which is placed inside the plastic container. And here is the submersible water pump with a plastic container. Next, we have a infrared sensor that detects nearby objects. We have a plastic pipe. Next, we have a 10K resistor with another 10 ohms resistor here, placed here. And we have a NPN Darlington transistor as used as a switch, which is this one, placed on a red breadboard with wires, plus a USB cable to supply 5 volts to be connected to this cell phone charger. And do not forget the alcohol, and let us place alcohol in this container. Let us learn how infrared sensor works. The emitter LED will emanate or send out an infrared light. When an infrared light bounces from an object and received by the receiver LED, then it detected an object. If the IR sensor detects an object, then its output will be 0 volt or low. Else, if detects none, then its output will be 5 volts or high. The maximum distance that it can detect nearby object is 9.5 centimeter or equivalent to 3.74 inches, which is short distance. On the other hand, the ultrasonic sensor has a maximum distance up to 200 centimeters or equivalent to 78.74 inches. Next, here is the wiring diagram of our touchless alcohol dispenser. First, the TIP 120 NPM Darlington transistor is used as a switch to turn on and off the submersible mini water pump. It can deliver current up to a maximum of 5 amperes. NPN transistors are referred to as normally off devices because when you connect a NPN transistor to a circuit, it does not conduct current across the emitter from the collector unless a sufficient large enough current is supplied or applied to the base. We just learned previously that if the IR sensor detects none, then its output will be 5 volts or high. Therefore, the TIP 120 NPN Darlington transistor will switch on the submersible mini water pump. Then the alcohol will pour out, which lead to a mistake operation. To solve this problem, I implemented a NPN transistor inverter by placing a 10 ohm resistor connected to the positive and collector. This will negate or invert the output from the IR sensor. The electronics project is powered by a 5 volt direct current. I use a USB cable to connect a cell phone charger to supply a 5 volt DC. Let us test this simple project entitled touchless alcohol dispenser. If I move my hands near the infrared sensor, it will pump the alcohol. If I remove my right hand, it will stop pouring the alcohol. Once again. That ends our simple project for today. I hope you are inspired in my class. Thank you for watching. God bless us.